That's okay. We can put it right here. Here, let's try something. Let's put this here. And then, let's put this here. Do you want to put it down the slide?
Yes.
Let's try this down the slide. Ooh. Ooh.
Go!
Go!
Ow.
Do another one.
Oh my God.
Ooh, try the big one. An alien life form. Who are you talking to, Adi? Who's on the phone? Is it Mama Dada?
Yeah, Mommy.
Is Aiden on the phone? Is he on a pretend phone? Hey.
A truck. A truck.
A truck. Can we try it down the slide, please?
Yes.
Let's try it. Whee! Push! Let's try Thomas. You want to try Thomas down the slide? How about the big Thomas? Oh, good job, Thomas. Oh, okay. Oh, let me fix the slide. Here it goes. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go. How cute is that? What?
Kill. Right.
Oh, he's a little too big for that, I think. You were coughing outside, remember? Can you show me your cough?
I saw.
Crash. Ready? Ready, set, go. Ready?
Set.
Oh, slide. I'll help you. Ready?
Ready.
Set.
Go.
Go. Let's try this one. Ready? Set.
Go.
Go. Let's try this big one. Ready? Set.
Go.
Go. How about this big one? Ready? Set.
Go.
Go. Look at all the trains. Hi.